To the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you. As you can see here, it's from Qilo, tactical again. So I ended up picking up a medium jacket from Qilo, and it also came with this really cool reflective sticker. You can see the light from my rig right here, but it says non-standard equipment built to exacting standards. I ended up getting a white Arctic coat. I believe this is Arctic Multicam. Comes in a nice little bag here. And I just realized I actually don't have anything in white, which is really sad. I think white works well in a lot of outfits, but also white for a light coat in the winter would be nice too. Would be different, definitely a change of things. And fun fact, for white camo, you should actually try to keep it clean and not stained so that it doesn't stick out. But yep, it's Arctic Multicam. You can see one of the points right here. Feels really soft, feels very breathable. So excited to wear this in the winter when it's not too cold. Always one of the important things when layering up, surviving in a winter environment is to layer up. So definitely super important. Anyways, quality as always looks really good. Nice little tassels or Velcro pieces with hook and loop to keep everything tight on you. Nice and stretchy over here. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. And also, here's the Irregulars logo. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. And stay safe.